In this video, we learn how to code Python using Google Colab. So we can just use a browser. We type colab.research.google.com. Okay, so here we can just click New Notebook. Okay, so from here we can either code by ourselves or generate Python code with AI given our purpose or objective. So if we want to do something, we can just tell AI here, Gemini, to code for us, and we can make some adjustment if necessary. So here, suppose we want to use the Python for forecasting, decomposition. I generated the code with AI and made some small change. I copy and paste the code. So be careful. Here, the Python code uses a data file. The file is here, example 5.3. Okay, so we need to tell this Colab where to locate the file. So here we can see, we can click File here, and we can upload the file in order for the Python code to locate the file. So here, let's go to here, example 5.3, and click OK. The file will be loaded here temporarily. And click OK. Yeah. Now we can click this. We click Run. The code, you see, here's the output from the code. Okay, so basically here we just see we can easily edit Python code in this Colab notebook here. Okay, it's very convenient. So that's it.